Hi, I'm Joe, and today I want to show you a little bit of who we are at HSP Diesel. Almost 15 years ago, I started building products for my own truck in my dad's pole barn. We've now grown to over a 30,000 square foot facility and almost 40 employees deep, building quality parts for you every single day.
At our core, we're fabricators, engineers, and diesel enthusiasts. We make all of our own parts. Designing, machining, coating, welding, and shipping is all done under here in one roof in the USA.
Keeping everything in-house means we deliver unmatched quality, speed, and innovation. From Duramax to PowerStroke to Cummins, our parts are built to push the limits without sacrificing reliability.
HSP is a proud leader of the aftermarket diesel industry, but absolutely none of this would be possible if it wasn't for you, the customer, and all the people involved.
We make every order count, and we do everything we can to exceed your expectations. Thank you again for supporting a great American company.